High precision printing demands extremely high standard precision composite screens. It consists of aluminum frame, polyester mesh, stainless steel wire mesh, and photoemulsion. We will explain starting from a stretched blank screen. The stainless steel wire mesh and polyester mesh are bonded with PE adhesive and heat pressed to form a composite structure. Trim the extra polyester mesh, clean thoroughly with a neutral degreaser, and wipe with a cloth to ensure the spotless surface. A professional coating machine applies the photoemulsion evenly to ensure consistent thickness. Dry completely inside the drying oven. Align the film positive and expose it using the exposure machine. After exposure, soaking with clean water and rinsing with the developing machine. And thus, a precision composite screen is born. Building the future with precision. If you have any questions related to the related process, GS Mesh sincerely invites you to visit us to witness the deep integration of technology and craftsmanship.